Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a Groen 80-gallon twin agitated kettle, or all stainless steel. It is fully jacketed. You'll see this is the GT series from Groen, and it's a little wider and shallower than the standard N series kettle. We've added some new scrapers to it. You'll see it has Groen's twin agitation system, the secondary agitator, traveling about 4 times faster than the main scraper, which is done through the gearbox here made by Groen. Has a center bottom discharge, very large, a 3-inch with a ball valve, and a Tico controller here for variable speed. We're operating on 208 3-phase voltage. The unit originally had, if you look carefully in the center, you'll see it originally had a tangential discharge which was closed up, and the 3-inch discharge created for obviously a very thick, heavy material. You can see here's where the original discharge was. Elevated on legs, lots of clearance underneath. We have lots of kettles in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.